In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reject time-off requests in Hubstaff. If you manage a team and need to respond to time-off submissions, Hubstaff makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can deny a request quickly and confidently. This is useful when a request doesn't fit the team schedule, overlaps with important work, or simply can't be approved for any reason. To begin, go to your Hubstaff account and look for the calendar area. Once you're there, find the small arrow beside the calendar. This arrow gives you access to additional options related to scheduling and requests. Click on the arrow to open that menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Time Off Request. This is where submitted time off entries can be reviewed and managed. Click on Time Off Request to open the list or view where those requests are stored. Once you're inside the Time Off Request section, find the specific request you want to respond to. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct entry before moving forward, especially if there are multiple requests waiting for review. When you're ready, click on Action. This opens the available response options for that request. From the Action menu, click on Deny. This will reject the time off request in Hubstaff. After you do that, the request will no longer remain in a pending state, and the employee's submission will be marked as denied. That's all it takes to reject a time off request in Hubstaff. The key is simply following the path in order. Open the arrow beside the calendar, go into Time Off Request, select Action, and then choose Deny. If you're reviewing several requests at once, moving carefully through each one can help prevent mistakes. Using this process helps keep scheduling organized and make sure decisions are reflected properly in the system. If you're responsible for approving or denying time away from work, knowing these exact clicks can save time and reduce confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to reject time off requests in Hubstaff quickly and easily.